pancakes.
What?
Fried chicken pancakes.
What?
Fried chicken pancakes.
Oh, right away.
Let's go outside, Nightingale.
Later, do you want to go play in the dungeons?
Maybe. Who's that new dragon over there, Nightingale?
I don't know, Master. Now do you want to go play in the... No one notices me anymore. I have to find a way to... Got it. I'll go to the forest. Then we'll see how they do when I'm gone. I'm a genius.
Where's my dragon, or could she be? What do you think, children?
I do not know.
I must make a town announcement. Anyone who can find my dragon over there.
Fried chicken.
Perfect idea. I'll go make the town announcement right away.
I will find all the Nightingale, get all the fried chicken, and rule the world!
I have a fried chicken, Emperor.
You are the perfect person who will help me find this Nightingale.
What is my word?
How about a lifetime supply of cranberries?
Deal.
To the woods.
Do you know where the
Do you guys see anybody who could help us?
Oh, there's the fisherman.
Let's go! Would you happen to see a flying dragon around? Yes.
Wait. The one with the red scale, purple horn, gold cloud, blue fire went northeast at 65 degrees, 15 miles an hour.
Yes!
Yeah, I haven't seen him.
She's anywhere.
So show China.
Wait,
What?
do you hear that?
Do you guys see someone following us?
Probably not.
I'm a realistic, talking dragon statue. Nothing to see here. Turn around. It's just a dragon statue.
I could have sworn I heard someone behind us.
Really, Miss Nightingale. Why don't we just go?
They want my fried chicken.
No.
Stealing the chicken would be so much easier.
I knew it was you.
It wasn't me. It was her.
Okay, it's just all a big misunderstanding.
I guess I could give you guys a second chance. Didn't know you'd be so worried about me. Especially with that new dragon around.
You're back.
Yeah, I'm back. Wait, this can't be over yet. 'Cause we're not only dragons, we're dancing dragons. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ah, chicken! Stop! Not only am I a chef, I'm also a sheriff. Let's go to jail. Let me go!
Okay, you're down.
So that's where all my fried chicken went.
I told you I didn't eat it. Oh yeah, to the dragon, to the dragon, to the dragon. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Getting close. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Wait, stop. I'm a drag on, not a drag off.